Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Zero Touch Cyber. Today we deep dive into the world of hacking. Hacking is the process of finding the vulnerabilities in a system and using those found vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access into the system to perform malicious activities, ranging from deleting system files or stealing sensitive information. Types of hackers like white hat, gray hat, black hat hackers. Now talk about black hat hacker. Black hat hackers are individuals who engage in hacking activities with malicious intent. They exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, or software for personal gain, to cause harm, commit fraud, steal data. They are illegal and unethical, aiming to breach security for malicious purposes. White hat hackers can be seen as the good guys who attempt to prevent the success of black hat hackers through proactive hacking. They use their technical skills to break into systems to assess and test the level of network security, also known as ethical hacking. White hat hackers are similar to black hat hackers, but these individuals are hired by organizations to test and discover potential holes in their security defenses. Gray hat hackers are in between the good and the bad guys, not malicious like black hats, but not always legal or ethical like white hats. They explore vulnerabilities, often publicly, to highlight weaknesses, but sometimes for personal gain. Devices vulnerable to hacking: smart devices, webcams, email, routers. Software update: regularly update software and operating systems to prevent security breaches. Enable automatic updates and ensure all devices and programs have the latest software versions installed to thwart potential hacker exploits. Use unique passwords for different accounts. Using strong, unique passwords for each account is crucial in mitigating the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks. HTTPS encryption: beware of spoofed websites, which appear legitimate but are set up by hackers to steal user credentials. Always check for the HTTPS prefix in the web address to ensure a secure connection. Change the default username and password on your routers and smart devices. Download from first-party sources. Install antivirus software. Use a VPN virtual private network. Use a password manager. Use two-factor authentication. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget hit the bell icon. Please like and subscribe for more videos.